Keep watching LFW TV.
I guess it's a lot of colors, but in a very special way. I would like to mix colors like reds and purples and beiges and blacks and peaches. I would say this is also very special.
What I'd like to tell every Indian bride is, for heaven's sake, don't weigh yourself down with a heavy lehenga. Enjoy your marriage.
The entire collection is very simplistic yet flamboyant because there's very minimalistic embroidery but beautiful blends of fabrics, and it's a very young line because it is aimed at the young bride to be.
Be confident, always wear a big smile, and whatever you choose to wear, make sure it goes with your personality, make sure you're very comfortable in it, and make sure you like what you are wearing. Because if you're not comfortable in your clothes, you're not happy with what you're wearing, it's going to show on your face, and you don't want that to happen on your wedding day.
A lot of brides prefer fresh corals and lovely peaches and mint greens. So you'll see a lot of that happening in functions maybe other than the main wedding function, something like the Sangeet or the cocktail.
Wear something light and beautiful. The best thing is to wear Gotapati embroidery from Rajasthan. Looks gorgeous and you can dance in it all night.
It's not the one color palette which is important, it's just the way you mix it up and the separates that you wear with each other. And like this is a blouse which can be worn with a pair of trousers, or you can wear it in so many different ways. So I would say that just be yourself.
This collection is something that a bride would like to wear, to possess and cherish for a long time to come.
I would say the stronger colors for the wedding day and the pastels left out for the cocktails or the other events.
Bridal trends have changed quite a bit in the last few years. There is a trend of destination weddings now, where people travel. They don't want to have very heavy and bulky outfits. They want lightweight outfits. They want outfits that look dressy but still are not overpowering, and something to go with the destination concept.